Hi guys, Lindsay, and in this video I just want to show you if you're experiencing any frozen screen, how we can fix this. We can fix this by holding down the volume down and also the power button. You want to just keep holding the phone and holding these buttons into place, power button and also the volume down. This will actually restart the phone. It's a force restart method to clear whatever history, memory had clogged up in your device. Once you do this, your phone screen will be revived, the touch will be working, and this is just a force restart to fix your phone. And this is how you can fix your phone if it is frozen. All it needs is just a restart, and this is the best way of doing it for the S9, the S8. This is the S8. Also it works for the S10 and also other models as well, like the A10, the M10, and we are getting touch. So this is actually how you fix it. Hope that this was helpful. My name is Lens. Like, share, subscribe and all of that good stuff.